this is how we drive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can shut down your phone, your iPhone, very easy than previously. Previously, to shut down any iPhone, this is iPhone 15 Plus, we had to go inside setting option. So here, setting about phone, setting general, then at the bottom you can see here shutdown. Now they make it very easy as Samsung or Android phone. You can slide down here, you can see power button. You have to hold the power button as this few seconds. I touch this one, you see, slide to power off. So very easy guys, shut it down. So this is the way you can shut your iPhone down very fast, just only with one button. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye.